15. Flying broom. I've analyzed a similar video in the past, but this one comes from Instagrammer Luis13222. A branch appears to be mysteriously floating in midair.
I've seen some really creepy stuff. There's a palm floating right in the middle of the air. It's not attached to wires.
The guy moves entirely around the branch, making this whole thing pretty convincing. Many in the comments think it really is a witch's broom. But others think it's nature just being weird. This looks so glitch in the matrixy to me that if it is nature, then I think nature knows just how to blow our minds. I do think it could be something paranormal though, but I guess this mystery will remain unsolved.